miles per hour, and the wind advisory has now been extended, goes on through 10 o'clock this evening for winds gusting between 40 and 50 miles per hour. We saw the high make it up to 64 today after a morning low temperature of 32, so nice and spring-like temperatures this afternoon. We're at 63 right now with a southwest wind 28 miles per hour, gusting up to 40 miles per hour, and the wind chill right now still feels like 63, so not really cooling us down. So far this month, 12 days with more sunshine than clouds, 16 cloudy days across the state, and it's been a cool day. We only had 6 days with a high temperature at or below freezing. The warmest day of the month was a high of 68 degrees. That came on the 3rd. The coldest, a morning low of 2 above on the 20th. We only had 4 inches of snow during the month, so we're going to wind up finishing February about 2 inches below average on snowfall. Temperature so far this month been running a degree below average, and for the next 4 days, a chill settling in for the weekend. Highs will be in the 30s on Saturday and Sunday, but we'll see a warm up next week and get the high in the middle 40s on Monday. Back in the middle 50s by Tuesday afternoon. We'll cool low temperatures down below freezing for tonight. During the day tomorrow, cloudy skies, a few flurries early on, possibly some heavier snow showers across east central Indiana. Do think we'll see a little bit more in the way of sunshine late in the day, but Saturday is going to be a chilly day with a high of 36. We'll get more sunshine for the second half of the weekend. It's going to look a lot nicer out there for us coming up on Sunday, but the temperatures really aren't going to be much better on Sunday afternoon. We'll find the high in the middle 30s. But we'll get back in the 40s on Monday and see the warm-up coming our way for Tuesday and Wednesday with showers and storms, gusty winds, and high temperatures in the 50s. Another cool down coming our way on Thursday, back in the 30s, and possibly rain and snow showers by Friday with a high of 41.
All right, thanks so much, Chris. We're now taking a live